What's up, everybody? This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. So gaming phones. A couple of years ago, gaming phones used to be like, I was hype about it. But as of 2020, do gaming phones even make sense? Let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So gaming phones, is it dead? Is gaming phones dead? I've been thinking about this for a while now, right? And I want to give you guys my thoughts about the era of gaming phones. Back in 2017, the Razer came out with the Razer 1. And in 2017, gaming phones were special. It gave you high specs, high refresh rate, and everything in between, right? But in 2020, it's no longer the case. Think about it. Back in 2017, the Razer Phone 1 came out. Then in 2018, the Razer Phone 2 came out. We did not see a Razer Phone 3 in 2019, and now in 2020, it's no parts of a Razer Phone 3 or 4. And now in 2020, it's not about the specs anymore. We're getting phones with 16 gigs of RAM, 12 gigs of RAM, 865 processors, all the bells and whistles, right? 256 gigs of storage, SD card support up to 2 terabytes. We got the fast processors. We have the RAM, the storage, everything else with phones already that can play any game in the App Store. I've made plenty gaming reviews on this YouTube channel with regular phones, and they play very well. Nothing spectacular. I mean, all the phones play games very well. So when you got a Razer phone, you look at this device and say, okay, what separates this gaming phone from like the Galaxy S9, the Galaxy S10, the OnePlus 7? All those phones can play any game in the App Store and it plays it very well. One of the key advantages of the gaming phones was high refresh rates, 90 Hertz, 120 Hertz. Well, that's no longer the case. We got phones that got 90 Hertz and 120 Hertz. So gaming phones are not separated like they was back in the day. When you look at a gaming phone, you think about, okay, what could they bring to the table? And most gaming phones have a special app that has pure games in it. Well, that's fine. On Android, you could develop your own app, an app drawer just with games. So that's not nothing special here. When you talk about high resolution displays, I mean, come on now, Sony got 4K displays on their devices. I mean, Samsung got the best 2K displays, period, on any device. You know, so what does gaming phones bring to the table? I mean, it's not even a struggle anymore to kind of separate a gaming phone from a regular phone. Regular phones now can game. If you want a game, you just download the gaming app and it will play with no stuttering, no hiccups. So I think the gaming phone era is over. I don't see anything spectacular that they can bring to the table that we don't already have. You think about it. You could get last year's flagship for half the price and play all the games in the App Store and have a very good experience. If you want that high refresh rate, there's already devices out there. The OnePlus 7 Pro, you could get that device $400 and it got a 90 Hertz display on it. And it games very well. High-end specs, smooth, I mean ultra smooth gameplay on it. So that's not the thing. I mean, you could get a nice unique design that some people might like it, some people may not like it. As far as the displays, I mean, Samsung devices make the best displays, period. So that's not the case. I mean, I know some gaming phones like to put fans and like to do all kinds of extra USB and like to connect joysticks and stuff like that. On Android, I can connect wireless joysticks to my devices already. I can use decks to play games on a bigger platform. So that's not the case. It's not the case that I can't use my Android phone on a bigger platform. I can use decks for that. If you want to play games, you can play games on any Android phones out there. It's the specs, it's the displays, it has the power, it has the RAM. So it already have everything you want and need in most Android phones. So when I see the new era of gaming phones that's coming out, one may ask the question of why? What is it that they're going to bring to the table that separates them from the boys to the men? I don't see it. I just don't see it. I'm just thinking that, okay, if a gaming phone comes out in 2020, 865 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, 128 hertz refresh rate, we already have the same song and dance already done. But most flagship gonna give you a good camera, a good ecosystem, and everything that you could do on that gaming phone, you could do on the Android phone. So that's not the case. What will gaming phones bring to the table in 2020? I think the era is over. I think the gaming era is over. I'm not sure what they're gonna do. I have no idea what ZTE and ASUS and all these gaming phones that's coming out, what they're gonna bring to the table. I mean, yes, the geeky people is going to get these phones because it's the geek in us, right? Can't make money off of gamers because you could game on any phone. I got a Motorola G7 that I could game on. I could play Call of Duty and everything in between on a 600 series processor, and it works really good. So that's not the case. These phones are more powerful now than ever. We got the specs, we got the RAM, we got everything in between. They have to bring something else to the table that separates themselves. Can they do it in 2020? We have to wait and see. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think about the gaming phones in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.